Over the last 20 years, I have created a couples laboratory where I have been observing my work with couples and developing my way of being with couples, encouraging couples, inspiring couples, and leading them on a journey of transformation of their relationship. Couples therapy that is focused on the encounter of the souls. And what I have developed is a way of creating a paradigm shift for couples based on the relational paradigm. The relational paradigm says that the essence of the human being is in connection, and that the ultimate achievement is not autonomy and independence and self-sufficiency, but rather interdependence. That human beings need each other for their ultimate development of their potential. Slowly in my own development, I began to see that human beings in their essence are born in connection. They are hurt when they feel disconnected and heal again in reconnection. And in that understanding, I began to develop my little laboratory with the couples to really see how I can assist couples in healing the disconnection, the hurt of the disconnection, getting connected again, and as a result, their problems dissolve.